You want the best for your car? You already watch our tutorials.
So the best place for the best deal is to buy from the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the bulk drum brake kit used in the video exclusively on the Mr. Auto website and through the link in the description. Turn your engine off, pull up the handbrake, pull on the bonnet release lever and open the bonnet. Open the brake fluid reservoir. Loosen the rear wheel studs. Lift the rear of your vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. To change the rear drums on your vehicle, you will have to remove the wheels to gain full access. Don't forget to slide them under the vehicle. You can now see the drum brakes on your car. Before starting, release the handbrake, otherwise the operation will be impossible. You need to remove the drum to access the brake system. Using a socket wrench and a 12mm socket, loosen the two screws holding the drum to the hub. Sometimes the drum can be difficult to remove as it is blocked by the brake shoe linings. In these images, you can see through the drum the operation you can perform with a flathead screwdriver on the automatic handbrake adjuster, which will move the linings away from the drum, thus making it easier to remove the drum. Then remove the drum. You can now access the brake mechanism. Now you have to remove the mounting system of the shoes. Using pliers, unclip the clips holding the brake shoes, sliding them outwards. Then remove the rods. Now you have to pull the shoes out of their housings. To do this, start by disengaging the lower part of the brake shoes and using a flathead screwdriver, pry on the upper part to remove the brake shoes from the wheel cylinder. You can now remove the front lining. Remove the handbrake cable from its latch to remove the rear lining. You now need to clean the inner side with a wire brush and brake cleaner in order to remove the brake dust left over from natural wear of the brake shoes. Remember to protect the floor by placing a fluid collection tray. You can learn how to make one by watching another of our videos, How to Make a Collector for Liquids. Set the handbrake cable spring aside.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You will find the bulk parts and products used in the video on the Mr. Auto site and in the link in the description. Take the brake shoes. Start by reinserting the handbrake cable back into its latch, then position the rear brake shoe. Once back in place, take the brake shoe holding system with the rods and clips supplied in the kit. Insert the rod. Use pliers and a flathead screwdriver to install the staple. Next, pre-position the automatic adjuster. Take the front brake shoe and position the brake shoe on the wheel cylinder and the automatic handbrake adjuster. While holding the assembly together, install the holding system. Take the upper spring and install it on the two brake shoes. You can use a screwdriver to help you. do the same with the lower spring. Clean the drum with a brake cleaner. You can now close the work area by putting the drum back on. Rescrew the two holding screws. You can now repeat the operation on the other side. After changing your drum brakes, it is necessary to bleed the brake fluid to remove any bubbles that may have entered the system. To do this, we recommend watching our video How to Bleed the Brake Fluid mk3. The operations are very similar. Once the bleeding is done, you must pump several times to activate the automatic adjustment of the drum brakes. Under no circumstances should you use a screwdriver to adjust the drum brake, as it works by itself once it's been purged. You will hear adjustment clicks when the handbrake is being pulled. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels properly. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from Usetool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We will be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.